All right, I'm going to show you guys the new back office. This is something that's going to be coming this month. We're working on just some of the final details of it. But when you come to the homepage, this is what it looks like. So we've improved the user interface and the user experience with this new back office. And one of the things we've also done is we've consolidated the left-hand navigation so that everything is very organized, more systematic. I mean, if you guys remember, we only launched this technology for MDC April of last year. So it hasn't been in the market that long. It was our first release. And so now that we've had some time, have some data, we've got our groove going, now we're able to really start making improvements. And I don't know how many releases there'll be. I mean, when you look at like iPhone, for instance, I think we're on like iPhone 37 or something like that. There's a lot of iPhones. I don't think it'll be like that when it comes to this back office, but we want to make sure we're elevating our game and making things better, simplifying things, adding more features, adding more tools, and just continuing to fine tune the system. So this is what the new homepage looks like. The buttons are really clean. I love this little like arching if you've completed your profile here. One of the things that you'll also see in the new back office is daily deals will start being populated on the homepage. So that way people can see both the new arrivals and the daily deals in their back office on the homepage. This isn't wired up right this second, but you can kind of get the idea. Somebody logs in, they can know what the best selling products are, what the daily deals are, and what the new arrivals are. Then we go to dashboard, and I just want to show you guys how clean this looks. Like being able to see your total active customers, affiliates, subscriptions, total commissions. These charts will populate the way that they do now. And then you'll be able to see here, the rank stats. And then one of the things we're working on, these buttons don't look amazing right this second, but you're kind of seeing a sneak peek, is we're adding more insights as to your stats. So I think right now it says this month and year to date, but we're going to show you last 12 months, last 6 months, last month, and this month. So you can really kind of see like where your sales at this month, last month, the last 6 months, and year to date. The other thing that we're going to be doing with training tab, this isn't done yet. You can see there's a bunch of random lettering in here. Again, you're seeing kind of a sneak peek. But for the training tab, we're building a new onboarding video that is going to appear right here. So I'm actually recording that video. It's going to be a duplicatable video that you guys can use to onboard your new team members. So this is going to be like how to set up your payment options, how to set your enrollment settings, best practices for building an organization in MDC, how to leverage the tools, how to use your website, your capture page, building a list. All of that content is going to be in this video. It's going to have like B-roll footage. We may even have little snippets from different leaders in the company in this video as well. So that'll be a video that gets launched on the training tab. And ideally, we create this duplicatable model where we can get the whole company on board, where you guys are using that one video to onboard your team. That way, everybody's on the same page. So that's kind of the goal with that video. Then under company news, we've consolidated a lot of our news channels. So we have this weekly call, we have our back office notifications, we have our Telegram channel, we have our blog where people can find news on our website, and then different events that are happening in the company. So we've consolidated all of that under company news. Everything under my account is pretty much the same. So I don't really need to go over that in too much detail. I can click on a couple of these pages. I mean, you can see how clean, everything looks. It's just, it's mainly a user interface improvement. It's just the buttons, the graphics, the way everything looks and flows is much cleaner, which I'm really excited about. Then under my team, all of the views here are pretty much the same. One of the things that we're going to be adding in the enroller list is the ability to sort by enroller tree BV. So there's going to be a little arrow here. That's been a request by a bunch of leaders to be able to sort by enroller tree volume. We also added sort by enroller tree volume here as a sorting, filter. So you can see, like, here's number one all the way down to the last person in your organization. And then my website, all of the the replicated website is here. You can see the graphic has been updated. This here looks a lot cleaner. We added a notification here. Some of the other brands, preferred brands brand partners will be added here as well. And then we've got our capture pages, product funnels. These all kind of stay the same. One of the things too that we're doing is we're consolidating a lot of our tools under what we're going to call Tool Suite. So when you click on Tool Suite, you'll be able to see the team messenger chat, prospect chat, shareable cards, live stream, the marketing assets, compliance related information. So all of the kind of tools will go under Tool Suite. You've got the leaderboard here, and then we're consolidating reports as well too. All of our reports will go under here.